Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Box. So today I tried to make a new payment via my Google Pay application, but unfortunately my payment is failed and it shows one message action required. So I tried to tap on it, but here my UPI ID is not activated. So due to this UPI ID it shows that kind of action required message. So anyway I decided to activate this UPI ID. But unfortunately, it shows one more error notification, could not register, something went wrong. So how to fix this issue? So my point of view, this is happening for two possible reasons. And the one is, so if you don't have a SIM card main balance, it shows this kind of message. Because during this UPI ID activation process, your service provider may charge some amount from your SIM card. So first of all, check your main balance. So and the next one of the reason is maybe your SIM card not have a proper network signal or some other technical issue. So anyway, how to troubleshoot this issue? So let's go to our tutorial. So if you get this message, first of all clear that Google Pay app data. So once you done this processes and one time restart your Android mobile. So after the restarting is completed, just go to your settings. So here you can click to access connections. So now you can click to access SIM card manager. So here you can check it if your both of the SIM card is turned on or not. So once you check it and then go back to the one step. So and then go to mobile networks. So here you can check it if you select the proper network mode or not, which means that if you use 4G network, always you can use LTE option. So otherwise you can select 2G network. So once you done this processes, just close all the settings window and one time enable the airplane mode and wait for a few seconds. So after the few seconds, just disable that airplane mode and wait for your SIM card activation. So after my SIM card is activated and then I try to access my Google Pay application, because I check it if this check works or not. So you can enter your mobile number for complete the verification process and they starts to verifying, so be patient and the verification process is completed. So now in this section you can press your Gmail profile picture icon and then go to bank account. So just tap on this action required message. So now I try to activate that same UPI ID. So you can click to allow this phone call access permission. But friends, now this time you can see my UPI ID is successfully activated and also my bank account is linked with GPay. So now this time you can try to make your new payments. So I hope this trick will work for you. So if maybe this method not works for you, just put the one comment. So otherwise just leave a one like. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Data Box, and thanks for watching.